Alright, man, thanks for another one of my videos. This video is going to be short and sweet, but real simple. This is how to check the differential fluid on a gas golf cart. Alright, you got your rear end. I'm under the car. You got your rear end here. You got your drain bolt here and your fuel plug here. This is Ezgo with the Kawasaki motor, but it don't matter if you got the Robbins engine. All of them are the same principle. You want to open up the fuel plug. It should be a 13 millimeter. Yep. Open up the fuel plug, and you want to check it according to the plug. You want to open the plug. Carries 30 weight motor oil, and then you keep putting it in there until it runs out the plug. Then you know it's to the level mark to where it's full. Different area really kind of got too much in it, but simple as that, man. Just get you a 13 millimeter wrench, take the fuel plug out. If you don't see none in there or none spills out a little bit, get you a quart of 30 weight motor oil and put it in the fuel plug. If you wanted to drain it, you just open up the drain plug right there. Same thing, 13 millimeter. All right, man, stay tuned. We'll make some more videos. Thank you.